Hey guys, welcome to topic 5 of our new science topic. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. This is topic 5. It's Earth's natural hazards. We're going to have 3 lessons in this chapter. Tectonic hazards, and we've heard the word tectonic plates before, so we know how that works. Weather hazards and impacts of natural hazards. So there's a couple different things that we've got going on here, okay? So I'm going to flip through. And this page, lesson 1 starts on page 208. It says what we're going to be doing at the end of this lesson is we can describe how volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and tsunamis can impact people. That's what our goal is for this lesson. Some of the vocabulary words that that you should have done cards for already is fault, earthquake, tsunami, volcano, eruption, and hazard. I know that we've done a lot of work on tectonic plates and talking about those. We also probably have heard a lot about earthquakes because that has to do with tectonic plates. Faults because that has to do with tectonic plates. Tsunamis, volcanoes, eruptions. Those are words you probably already know, but we're going to talk a little bit more about that, okay? So here's a great way to pretend to be a scientist and kind of look at how earthquakes happen. So here it says if you have the opportunity to, you can use colored paper or you can use clay. Make 3 rectangles from modeling clay. Each rectangle should be a different color. The rectangle should be the same size, 5 centimeters by 8 centimeters by 2 centimeters. You can use, like I said, 2 pieces of paper or a couple pieces of paper to kind of do this. Stack the rectangles on top of each other. Cut through the stack from top to bottom at an angle. Slide the upper stack up by 2 centimeters. Then cut the clay in half lengthwise. What do you observe? How does this model earthquake activity? Earthquakes. So, let's take a look at these 2 pictures down here. It says the San Andreas Fault in California is more than 1,300 kilometers long and 16 kilometers deep. The San Andreas Fault moves from side to side, similar to the blocks in this diagram. The picture down here says with other faults, blocks slip away from each other or under each other, like the Tohoku earthquake. The Tohoku earthquake happened because one plate slid underneath another plate's edge. So let's start reading about some earthquakes. Earth's surface is a thin layer of rock called the crust. The crust is the top part of large pieces of rock called tectonic plates. The plates usually move slowly, just centimeters per year. Tectonic plates push, pull, or slide past each other on their edges. The plates continuously move, which cause stresses along faults. A fault is a crack in the crust where the 2 sides slide past each other. Eventually, that stress is released and an earthquake or shift within the earth happens. The shift causes the crust to shake. So what I'd really like you to do is underline in the text what explains the cause of an earthquake. Over here we have hazards of earthquakes, okay? A hazard is a danger a hazard is a danger to humans resulting from an event. The hazards of earthquakes are measured by the modified Mercalli intensity scale, which rates the damage they do. An earthquake's energy is measured on a magnitude scale. It's written as a number followed by a capital letter M. A high magnitude measurement means greater hazard for people nearby. Earthquakes below M 3.0 happen frequently, but people usually don't feel them. An M 5.0 earthquake can rattle buildings, knock pictures off the wall, and cause minor damage. Anything greater than an M 6.0 is a serious earthquake. Buildings crumble, bridges fall, and roads are torn apart. Another major hazard from earthquakes is fire. The M 9.1 Tohoku earthquake in 2011 in Japan caused a destructive tsunami. A tsunami is a massive wave that can cause damage when it reaches land. Earthquakes that rupture the ocean floor can cause tsunamis and damage a long way from the earthquake's center. So what I would like you to do is to go to your notes page and start filling out your notes page using the information that we just read on those 2 pages. Have fun.